Mother's Day vlog, and we're gonna go on a rafting YouTube. So I'm gonna take out my slippers.
Walk across.
Alright.
Step over.
Freedom.
You go deep. Step over.
I like you so this today. You sure you know me? At Jagan. Oh my god, I feel nice. After I think this is gonna be the worst day ever. I like. I can't. Yeah, when me not use the YouTube. This is beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the famous tree. Welcome to White River Rafting. And here, otherwise called the Blue Moho tree, but we call it the famous tree because people normally come here and stop and take pictures. Otherwise, this tree blooms some pretty flowers in the summertime. Believe it, this tree is the national tree for Jamaica. Over here is White River Reggae Park, normally where Bob Marley started music. Believe it. Up at the top here is when we go to the chill spot, where we relax on the river. You can do the limestone, you can do anything you want, have a drink, have a smoke, have a swim, whatsoever. Believe it. This is here, White River Rafting. Trust me, it's the best. Cut the water, blue and clean, crystal clean. Good from the mountains, it's the best water. Come to White River, try rafting. You won't regret it, it's the best.
East side, I do the dirt. West side, I do the dirt. Countryside, I do the dirt.
Say hey YouTube, vlogs by Nix. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm almost there. Show me some love.